Metro media sound.
Isa.
I've been guided by Metro media sound.
Calling by comes to selection.
Metro media sound. We ready for them. They're gonna mash it up and flash it up again.
I want a man to say on him famous.
They're gonna mash it up and flash it up again.
Man call Liverpool champion sound. Sound call Metro Media.
We ready for them.
How you mean?
They're gonna mash them up and flash them up again. So run, go tell your friends, say we come again. So run, go tell your friends, Metro kill them again. Kill them tonight.
Hold it, Oliver. Play by the rubber dub sound, the female sound. Hold it there. I'm gonna show you how we start dance back in the 80s. Play by the champion sound. The rubber dub sound called Metro Media sound. Because around we come from ram up this salon. Sheep in at the meadow and a cow in at the farm. Yes, we are gonna ram it till dusk, till dawn. Come pass this wolf and me say Sanja Bandana. A rubber dubber where we want in a the land. A rubber dubber where we want in a the land. And everybody just a rock and come on. Bad sister wolf ya to Anjaba. What we say? Because all who about this say me now hold up on her hand. You know about down and hold up on her hand. Cause we come for ram up this session. Sheep in a the meadow and a cow in a the farm. Roll it. So we start dancing in the 80s. Play by the champion sound Metro Media. Teach them our friend. You know we come, we tell it to them. You come, we tell it to them. Rubber dubber and slackness. You come and Metro Media sound appear niceness. The lyrics on me mouth, you know about it, you are go get. A DJ like me, you know me well intellect. High school me used to go, you know them rate me as the best in a maths and English and every subject. The way me behave myself, me even turn a prefect. One day them bring up a project contest. Them want to see with what? How the man have say mackerel?
Original sound, play original song. Welcome to Original Dancehall Thursdays. Seen a rubber dub we say. Hey, let's start the history of the black man. Metro the history of the black man. Black people, you know where you are come from. Let's start the history, you hear me lashes. Long time ago we deliver Africa. I walk on gold, sleep on silver. Then white man come invade Africa. Black man was betrayed by their own brother. They transfer some to the Caribbean water. Distribute some black man in Jamaica. The slave for the plantation owner. They plant tobacco and cane to make sugar. Carry us from Africa to Jamaica land. Tell you we said that we are Jamaican. Carry us from Africa go over England. Tell you we said that we are Englishman. Carry us from Africa go Uncle Sam. Tell you we said that we are black American. But one thing me want you understand. Africa your poor people come from England. And of a black man. Of the long nose man. Jamaica and of a black man. Jamaica, a Indian land. America, enough a black man. America, a red Indian. Addis Ababa, that's how we belong. Wave your one if you's a real black man. Make some noise, you are. Pull up. I wear the man as a father, Metro.
Yes, Mackerel, I love the fire there. So yeah, we're going to bring in an artist here now, him named Mike Brooks. A singer sing. Come in, Mike Brooks. Mike Brooks. Come sing Panda Rhythm here, because you're a bad artist. Yo, Mike Brooks.
Yes, Metro. See? Next week, Thursday, the right thing. Because I get a good thing. Yeah? Go like this. Ain't nobody love me. Ain't nobody love me like you do. Yeah. I've been working 24/7 days a week. searching to find some peace of mind. But when I look around the corner, someone is there for me. Ain't nobody loves you. Ain't nobody loves you like I do. Yeah. Little girl, you drive me crazy. I said you got your spell on me. People don't know, people don't know, people don't know. Ain't nobody loves me. Ain't nobody loves you like I do. Yes, man.
Man called Mike Brooks. Big up yourself, Mike Brooks. Saying, yes, man, next week, you're coming official next week. Now you come man called Linville Thompson, stronger than the man called Samson. Listen
big
to me,
up
man.
champion sound.
Yeah?
Metro Media sound. And big up yourself, Jimmy Metro.
Yes,
you're
man.
the champion. Brilliant chula.
Linville Thompson.
Metro Media sound.
Let me not tell you, man.
Linville Thompson says so. Get on the board, my brother. Metro Media sound is played.
Robot style.
Get on the board, my sister. Train to Zion is coming.
Yes, man.
I don't want no one to miss
Let me
it.
not tell you, man.
Metro Media sound is played.
Hey.
I know what the sound can sing. Him a the champion sound. Him a the rubber dub sound. Train to Zion is coming. I don't want no one to miss
Man
it.
called Linville Thompson.
Metro Media sound is playing.
Hey.
I know what the sound can sing. Him a the rubber dub sound.
Oh,
Him a the champion sound.
Robot dub style.
We don't want no war in the dance. We don't want no gun in the dance. And this a Metro Media sound. Get it, brother.
Big up Josie Whale at the place. Big up the Colonel Josie Whale every time. My brother, I love you, Josie. You come at my mother's funeral, you come at the setup. Colonel, big up yourself, my brother. See, drop the part two. Yeah. Anything or anything. Rogies. Take it, Rogies. Yo.
Robot Dub Thurston, this is Roaches, and this is our Squidly forward. Forward. Robot Dub Thurston, enough respect, see? Alright, turn it up a level. Alright, right now we're hotter. And we no want to buy the cup, right now we're hotter. And we no want to buy the cup, right now we're hotter. And we no want to buy the cup, right now we're hotter. And we no want to buy the cup. You come, you stand up, you came but on a look. I'm staring on my face just like an exercise book. Y'all me hotter. And we no want to buy the cup, look how me hotter. And we no want to buy the cup, we hot. So we want to buy the cup, me say we hot. Watch me now. Me say no, put on your suit before you put on your socks. Anytime you feel good, go and go relax. When you have running daily, you fit broke locks. When time for you left, you tell the bridge you watch tracks. Me say man wear pants, a woman wear frock. Maybe play dolly house, but me not play tracks. Me love it when you come and dance with a big radio box. Me hear the well ball, next year me go in locks. Feel learn native wisdom and the natural fucker. Now listen squirrely ranking on the microphone and chatter. But the guys they never know me at the cream of the crapper. Now listen squirrely ranking, I give you me not styly. Me ram dance all and me we cock party. Say one time I go down in a black history. There was no slavery, no brutality. There was no sadness and no misery. There was no confusion, no sick mentality. Now listen squirrely rank, I give you me not styly. Answer, oh we no want to buy the cup, Empress. Well, alright, Empress. You're not tell from your toes, them. You're not tell from your toes, them. Go right back to your ear. You don't use no makeup, no polish, can't touch your nail. Splendid character, it's beyond compare. Me love the way you dress, for the clothes that you wear. Reveal your qualities, I mean, I tell you sincere. Me and I'll pull it. So that's God, no man. Come in.
Play by the rubber dub sound. On the mic sound. Play by the inbound champion sound, the field marshal sound, of partial. Yeah, we do it there. Yours. Because who goes there? And me say, who goes there? Ragamuffin DJ Muffy ram it this year. And who goes there? And me say, who goes there? One DJ and me respect Joseph and Brigadier. Me sit up on top of the rhythm like a driver was steer. The amount of lyrics when me have that fist fear. Me ram dance there and me ram dance here. Me ram bed on the earth and in the atmosphere. Me no love, me no joke, me no ramp, you know that you tell me no steer. Me come my dance all, you know me come well prepare. Me ram bed on the earth and in the atmosphere. The amount of lyrics me have it tight. Hold it! Yeah, man, that's how we ride the rhythm at the 80s. Hold on, Mr. Man. Play by the rubber dub sound, the field marshal sound, of partial. You know, so we now promote a gun thing, see? What you ever tell the gun man then? Go knock. It better if you turn Mike Shark and jump on a plane, run, go on New York. Cause he carry shark and the back of carry cock. We come for ram the dance and make promoter waffle laugh. Me no drop no rap, me no know me a the chief of staff. Me sometime me run and sometime me walk. Me pick up microphone and this a youth me love to talk. Me hold the microphone, me come fi set world record. Me mic in on me and me a the DJ boss. Me itch, me twist, me itch up in. Hold it, Mr. Man.
Yes, hold it there. This platform here elevate every artist. We not hold on, no you. Marky Melody. Zane, come bless it me out.
Black people must rise, it seems like black life don't matter none at all. So many mother left a ball. Babylon splash blood bunny. One more time again. Pull up. Mr. Metro. Unil famous. Mark Mel representing M to the M. Tutu twink. Stand on your. Aye. Black life don't matter none at all. So many mother left a ball. Babylon splash blood on the wall. Now we have to answer to them call. We need an investigation. Tired of them discrimination. False incarceration. Constant intimidation. The triple case still around. We never take off them cap and them gown. We gonna start a revolution. And that a dissolution.
Yes, Major Mackerel and 9 that you gone here. 9 love that. Me I count them, you know. See? Yo! Wheel it soul. Yo!
When I meet them, murder them, angle them rough. Oh, yeah, now.
Them not telling man.
Sound boy.
Listen.
Bout to and come to Metro Media.
Yes, man.
Bring the big you and to bout to and come to Metro Media. And then the big you and good.
Them not tell you.
Where you are good, do
But
not
artist
Metro
nuclear
Media.
there.
Oh Lord, Lord. Where you are go come when you sing and gone. Sound boy. Where you are go do no Metro Media kill you.
What about you there? Him name Nuclear. Want to listen to youth here? Because him used to par with Cartel. And from Cartel bus and get big, him not member Nuclear. But Nuclear there, I work same way. Watch it.
Oh, what a la la. What a la 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 la. The same song that the builder refuse always be there. Cornerstone, oh, what a la la.
Now here come the part 2 styles so runaway channel, the biggest stop here running wild. My name is Peter Metro. I'm Peter Metro. Oh, where me I go DJ upon this? Where me I go DJ upon this? Daddy Metro. Why? Huckle the mic for them, daddy Metro, huckle the mic for them. Huckle the microphone, me huckle. Daddy the metro, Ackley mic for them. Ackley mic for them. Yes, that the metro, dep on the mic, Ackley mic for them. Friend, that spell friend. PROBLEM, a problem. HAVEN, I me said that spell heaven. EDEN, I me said that spell Eden. MOSLE, pull it up. Ah, boy. I wait a man I say road G's, road G's, road G's. Say road G's, road G's. What the man I say G's?
God no mention. We have to give thanks and praise unto the Most High King always and always. Oliver, turn it up, man. Alright. You see it? Jah make the moon and the stars in the blink of an eye. Also the earth with Jah make the moon and the stars in the blink of an eye. Also the cloud which is the main eater. If I never fed the sun, we would have freeze and die. Jah make the rain cloud and then put it up high. For water the place when the time get dry. For bring forth when food in abundance supply. And not everything for eat and feel satisfied. Now the fish have not wheel out. So last thing I know. Play by the king, follow us all I bring. I play from the top until the very last jump, man. See, Oliver makes it non-stop. This is Road Kings. We represent to the fullest. See it, yeah? Alright. You see it, yeah? Jah make the moon and the stars in the blink of an eye. And also the sun which is the main heat supply. If I never fed the sun, we would have freeze and die. Jah make the rain cloud and then put it up high. For water the place when the time get dry. For bring forth with food in abundance supply. And not everything for eat and feel satisfied. Now the fish they make them swim and now the birds make them fly. Say these are the words where the man prophesy. Reveal unto Moses and so Eli. Him say I know everybody ya go raise I and I. If you want know the truth, come and ask I and I. It is a pick your meal go to niggle higher. Don't ask me how me say, don't ask me why. This is roaches and I man tell no lie. If you spitting at the sky, you go the drop in your eye. When up for them a sell, none away, now go buy. And some people nowadays them come and sell them from fly. Then we teeth for your fat and then we take it and go fry. And you coat your water and drop it in and wheel out. So last second, come in.
Bad artists are bad artists, yeah man. We are not two artists, I went to them. Full of lyrics every time, but guess what now? Touchdown, Philip Fraser, watch.
Hey yo! You don't know man, I Metro Media sound man. Oliver, you don't know enough. Sky Juice, Father Metro, Philip Fraser man. Sound dead tonight. Let it go,
Rush Art and Johnny.
Metro Media.
Play by the sound called Metro Media.
Hey. I will never let it go. Metro Media. I will never let it go. Metro Media. I've got to hold on every day, in every way. No matter what the next sound play, Papa Metro, you leads the way, night and day.
Oliver, show me how your boss is. Give me a Lucian up on the same rhythm.
Some killing time again.
Metro Media. Welcome to original dancehall Thursdays.
See the moonlight.
I wear the man I say on Hill famous.
Yeah, Mr. Marco.
Getting ready.
Well, don't remember the kitchen and the bar. I know, so I say you have to support the team. For the team roll. Man called Lucian up on the champion song.
Was dead and baby.
How you been?
When Oliver put on him Gideon boot my car.
Yeah, Mackerel, 9.
Soon boys get nervous.
I look like you want to go and tell whole lot little.
I got a call.
When you Lucian, I can't tell you on the turntable. I know, so
boy, you think a friendly juggler.
special guest them soon coming, eh?
Just know that.
Military man at the place. Big up oral tracing at the place, eh?
Say friendly days ago.
Easy black is best.
So killing days are here again. When this dab
Man can't squid out the climax.
Now the sun goes missing.
Easy bolt money.
Another jump and come on. Metro Media sound is return. Friendly days are gone. Whoa. looking, yes. Looking back and taking stock of all those around that made to me that beat out in the street. I sold what get the feet. How many songs them beat? Some but never have it easy. When the metro media touch the street, somebody to save me.
Pull up my selector. Yo, Will, see, I give me a Tony Curtis, see, I give me. After Tony, we don't know. Whoa. Bad artist. Tony Curtis. Outer St. Catherine.
We rolling up our blunts in the 980s. Sipping into Mali with some Tennessee.
Whoa. Saying original junglist. You know Tony Curtis when he live a jungle before he go a country.
Hey! We rolling up our blunts in the 980s. Sipping into Mali with some Tennessee. Rolling into me, then at the dance I please me, say that's our rolling.
Hey boy.
Some made them believe, but them won't believe.
Hey boy. Hey boy.
Ask the Jamaican and Japanese, bet you me that he would.
Ease up. What the man say, Mackerel?
Yes, my people. Select our way off away. I rub it up time. Talk to me now. Man called Lee. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to step up the show, you know. All right? We are going to find around the Arrows. You remember one son when he named Arrows? Out of East there. And then him go around a Bobby Digital. And then him left Bobby Digital and him go a Black Scorpio. And then him go a Jammy's go do a whole heap of hits. Hits behind it. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present to you the legendary Leroy Gibbons. Zane Leroy Gibbons. Mr. Gibbons. Leroy Gibbons and original dancehall Thursdays. How you say that?
Hey, a Cupid, draw back your bow and let you ever go.
Wheel and come again. Started fresh, my boss. Nibby bum.
Whoa, hell. All this but goodies in a rubber dub style. Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight through my lover's heart for me. Whoa, wow. I don't want to bother you, but I'm in distress. There is danger of in losing all of my happiness. Cause I love a girl who doesn't know why yet. Next track, next tune.
Put things from people, give them know you. Pull it up. Yeah, pull it up, Oliver. Hey, I will feel like bad artist, I Leroy this. Put things from people. Yeah.
Missing you. Oh, yes. Now, since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. Since you've been away. Yes, Peter, I love how you do it, you know? Run track, see him in my brethren. Yo, yo, missing you. Oh, yes. Now, since you've been away, I've been down and lonely. And since you've been away, I've been dreaming of you. I try to understand the reason you left me and what were you going through. Ooh-wee, 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 baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road turned. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, baby, I'm missing you. Tell me why the road. Hey, next show. a shock.
Yeah.
Does she love me with all her heart?
Wallet, yo, wallet, Oliver, give her. Boy, God give you, yo, Almighty God give you talent to see my brother. That's why you remember when you go to your bedside and you look, Peter made sure the right desk so that day there. Give her. God bless you, my brother. Put things.
Oh, yeah. Does she love me with all her heart? Should I worry when we part? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. No. Does she needs me as she pretends? If this is a game, oh, will I win? It's a lover's question I'd like to know. No. Yodelay, ooh. Yodelay, ooh.
Ease. Yo! I'm going to tell you, brethren, I'm a brethren this every time. Original Gibber. One more, man. One more Gibber. One more Gibber. Yeah, man, we don't know you just have come off of the plane and thing, but, you know, yo, how you have line up there? Touch it.
You should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away.
Wheel out! Hold on there, Oliver. Boy, Leroy Gibbons, you're bad man. You're bad like 8 Jim Brown, 12 Sandokan and 9 Natty Morgan. Nibby Bum. Sing!
Oh, season lover. Oh, season lover. No, you should never give your love away. No, you should never give your love away. No. No. So when the winter comes around, there's nobody to keep you warm. Call me on your phone line. I will be there in no time. I'll be there to warm you up. I'll be there to warm you up.
Wheel out! Leroy Gibbons, is a pleasure, real pleasure having you. This is what original dancehall do. So when I say people, we sure to say all of the artists them still the boat and everybody active. You understand me? Zane, right now people, we are going all the way down a whole harbor beer. Oh, Leroy Gibbons not done yet. Magic Moment. You not sing Magic Moment yet. Hold it there, Oliver. Leroy, mind me put on the 1 foot and run you down, you know. Leroy, come sing. Magic Moment. Come sing, Leroy. Mass Leroy, come sing, Papa Leroy. Uncle Leroy, come sing. Sing, Uncle Leroy.
Yes, sir. This magic moment, so different and so new. Come again. Nah, you're reading right, you know. Come with it. My love is to the end of time. Time. Love is to the end of time. This magic moment, So different and so new, was like any other. Until I kissed you, and then it happened. It took you by surprise. Knew that you felt it too, yes. By the look in your eyes, sweeter than a wine, warmer than the summer's night. Everything I want, I have. Whenever I hold you tight, this magic moment, while your lips are close to mine, will last forever, forever. Worries and problems.
Oh, I said, people, are you ready? Oh, Lord, come and say, Robert, are you ready? Oh, Lord, she said, no put it there. She said, no put it there. She said, no put it there. She said, no put it. She bad, no put it there. She said, no. Boy, Rowdy and Nicey, every Thursday night, you know, see how you're so nice. You know, for DJ about shoot out, man, head back. I want some boy. I want some boy, man. Yo, people, the show continue and the show goes on. Peer bad artists in the place. Right now. O'Neal, you ready? You're sure you know you're ready? No, you're not ready yet. So guess what now? Guess what? Guess what, O'Neal? We're going to fling on an artist pan already now. Saying, where's the artist name? Ross Arthur. You see, before me bring on the next star, we are put on original Mackerel. Are you virgin?
Pull it up there. When DJ bad them bad, see a bad DJ ya. Ross Arthur. Listen to Rasta man ya.
Hold up. Yeah. Empress last year is the Almighty. I take care of our loving things. Build up the universe, the most high. I mean, I say big up a whole up of the St. Catching and the whole Spring Village. I want anyone to say Ross Arthur there. And we are serious warrior. Let go rhythm. I want you for poor people. No, it's Imperial Majesty. Low. Hey. The sexual King Selassie I name. Jah move all obstacles and burst every chain. Come on, exalt Rastafari name. Move all obstacles and burst every King Selassie I. Pull up all the bad weed and the good one remain. Now you are the living King Selassie I reign. He dragon in them, they never be the same. He dragon always a play Lucifer's game. One to one name and a one destiny. One blood, one life, one family. 5,000 years of black history. It could have never go away, so church and state to lie. How much time them have to lie? Pull it up again, my family. Pull it up again. Yeah, man. I want you to know it's 2023. Paula, big up Mike. You have to have a plan in a Babylon. Are you ready? I start telling you, man. If a sudden plan, or you gonna make it if you never got a plan. Then blow 40 million and a big back grand. 76542. English, maths and comprehend. Look at children go to school and pick up player 10. When teacher chat up, you not hear. Go ask question. Cause when you leave school and say you graduate, and the paper where you get a recommended. We take a look at big job in a create. Me no name Vice Cartel, me no name Beanie. Hot fish split for them and hold me meditate. And now out of Babylon me say isolate. We know what wicked people no obligate. So they want me put another show in a Switzerland. Out of me, pull it up again. Pull it up again. Yes, I want to play that one alone now. I will if a man does a central lock up. Poor you don't know about it. And you can't get me at this number 365 days in a year. 2564. No call nobody thief until him get caught. Here I wouldn't kill me, said kiss me, plate clot. Same local Indian where walk out a wharf in online thieving. Big sidewalk rap me, yeah, whoo. Them blow him out like a nose not now. Honesty, are the best of policy. Everybody innocent, tell proof or guilty. Watch a certified people in this community. Enough time, then go up prison innocently. The man will take the merchandise, get West catch free. Big bad and bossy him, they not free. Have all of you to pat your location. You have 100,000 they but take grand. Any day him come and say Sharon and Pam. In take it when I say you not go know I wish one. So him always there foot and never touch a grand. I bet you overlook him and go blame market. And can't cut if he get murdered.
Pull it up, yo. Ross, your thing up. Big up my brother. Yeah, man, you know, touch your bad.
Make me hear the very special one, yes.
Hold it there, Oliver.
Play this one.
Sista Carol. Big up, Sista Carol. Errol Dunkley.
Hear the very special one, yes. Because only you can play this one. Hey, listen.
Yeah.
Now bazooka we are coming. White dub plate.
Massive, remember, over Jollies, the 12th of February. Jollies.
Listen.
12th of February.
Giving me the right sound, yes.
Hey!
Metro Media is the right sound.
Guess what?
Only we can play this one. Metro Media.
Yes, ma. Sista Carol, touch it here. Hey!
Metro Media man a superstar.
Sure.
This song from 1 to 110, you know.
What is part?
The dancehall anthem. Them never know. Sound boys should them know.
Skate Gemini.
Metro Media of the title. Say that we rule. And now we have the title. Some boy, you a fool.
Hey.
And now you know have no title. The Metro Media have the title. The title, Oliver, you have the title.
No.
The title.
Hey! Errol Dunkley, no touch it yet, you know. Why? May I tell you, youth and green. Him there. Little John. Junior Cat.
All over the Metro Media, all over them.
Hey.
All over the Metro Media, all over them.
Jollies. Remember about Jollies, the 12th of February. Sweetness, niceness. Hey.
Metro Media. I know the dance.
Remember me, I them not good enough, them little fine print here. Why? Jollies are back road the 12th of February. Watch on, man. What the general? Whoa, nuclear.
When someone tried to test the mention about the got that old T-Ramo.
Aye.
Oh, what a
Support the bar. Wallet, Oliver. Wallet. Whoa, you want to see the bar, please, and support the bar now. Support the bar. Watch all the man that block off the wall of the bar. We don't love the platform, but we have to make little space for the people. Come on, man. Please, man. Give a little space for the people can walk the bar now, man. One of the artists not touch it yet. See? Black Cinderella not touch it. Sista Carol. Movie star. She there. Whoa, Robert Up Thursday. It's a general. My kitchen out of England. Bunch of killer artists there too, you know. Where your name again?
Really try, you'll find there's no need to cry.
Booba Star.
And the sound, you'll find there's no hurt or sorrow.
Hey, Booba Star.
There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. So killer, eat that sound. Let your killer eat that sound. Heal the world, make it a better place. Oh no, for you and for me and the entire race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the
Yes, but part two. And where we are going to get it, Booba Star. Oi, Booba Star, pull up. Listen to me now. When you come for work, pay attention to your work. Remember, Bounty Killer camp here come from. See? Alright, work.
It's Metro. All Emmanuel I King Selassie. All I wanna sell out now, go so. Balance it. Watch your style. Any meat can cook in a your potty, nothing you mean a nose, not in a nose. And anything can go in a me mouth. So girls don't bend down. Lick no sweetie, you don't push your head when no girl a pee-pee. Cause these guys nowadays so freaky and I go on like said them bad. We not bend down. Lick no sweetie, I not push a head when no girl a pee-pee. Cause man straight from me band, believe me, balance. Well alright, a girl asks me a little question. She say, Booba, what's a nookie? Yes man. Me say, yeah man, we get up and put your stress pan. And when you kill him with bun, him think you are the best. A man where you take and put any vest pan. A man who own the kids always from a next man. A man when even live in a tin and I give you everything. Meanwhile you have your house I expand. But hey girl, gimme comfort. Gimme some fat. Look how she a kick up and a go on and a blow like a storm. And she done give me now the balance. Some man a real waste man in a star. Him still a walk foot and go buy girl car. Funniest thing I know him and a rapper. And when she a bun him sit down in a bar. Drink and junk and one broke war. What kind of man that? Oh, you for one by a girl, everything I know you drop on your face, you never pray that far. Let me show you how the dance slick. Right now, me not even wanna dance ship. Me want a girl to please me when me stiff. And any man when I'm kidding, know them damn sick. Any man when bow down low, them would a damn shit. I'm not joke, don't touch him with a long stick.
Yes, Pinky. All right. That a one, Pinky. Pinky famous, yeah? Anyway, massive. You know where I bring cross here now? Lord God, wait, mackerel, take it.
Yes, my people. We are going way back down the 60s. This man is one of the first youth superstar out of Jamaica. The man ya get famous when he was 9 years old. This man celebrate 50, almost 60 years in the music. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to present to you the great, the legendary Errol Dunkley, Mr. Dunkley, Errol Dunkley, Bad Boss.
Greetings, everyone. It's nice to be here. You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a big bus car, but I love you in every way. I love you in every way. I don't know why. Oh, why? The dress you wear may be too tight, and folks may say that don't look right, but I don't care about the view. I keep on loving you. I don't know why. Extra. Well, I'm gonna take you on a journey down memory lane. Tell me if you remember this one. Goes like this. Darling, oh, Will. It's true. Ooh, your love is amazing. Darling, ooh, your love made a wanderer like me into what I'm supposed to be. Stood beside me, right or wrong. Erase my weakness and make me strong. I'm gonna love you, oh life true, 'cause no one ever does the things you do. Darling, ooh, your love is amazing. Well, big up all the Cinderella them in the place. Where can I find my black Cinderella? Where can I find my black Cinderella? I've got to find my black Cinderella. She cannot be far away. Oh, 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 my black Cinderella. Show up your face, 'cause I've got to find to give you happiness right away. Oh yes. Well, me must tell you now, me kinda dusty now. Me a come off a long tour. The old town talking about you and your new guy. You're flying high now. Oh yes, well alright. Whoa, oh, 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 hey. The whole world talking about you and your new guy. You're flying high now in your single world, but you're gonna need me, but you're gonna need me, you're gonna need me, and it won't be long, won't be long, won't be long now, won't be long. You better stop your lying, girl, and speak the truth. If you don't love that guy, tell him you don't. Every night you're on the beat with another guy, and the poor guy works so hard, make you big and strong. You me tell the bird, I'm going home. Sing it for me. I'm gonna see my. It's been a long time, and I am longing, but you're gonna need me. Say you're gonna need me. You're gonna need me, darling, and it won't. Good night, love you.
Yo, all it, Jennifer, all it. Why me I tell you the icon them turn up in here. Enough respect to all the people that turn out. Tell on a friend and bring a friend. And yes, sir, every Thursday we beg the artists them put things from people. Yeah, we have the movie star. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, out of New York City. Welcome on, original dancer, Rubber Dub Thursday, Sista Carol.
Bless. I want to greet the item in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, King of Kings, Lord of Lords, and the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of God and true light of this world. Jah Rastafari. Also to the Queen of Queens, see me Empress Men and all the ancestors. Well, I want to big up the Rubber Dub Thursdays, you know, because this is the original thing. But from night, I stand up over there, so pure man, I say, I want them know it's not a bald's face. See? It's male and female, king and queen, lion and lioness. So run something, you know, anything because not to move, see? How you mean? Yes. Sister, say Sista Carola the mama. Sista Carola the mama. Mama. Ever sober and me no stagger. Me have the lyrics them wagga. Me no use no grabber. I eat poison uncle. Bounce it low. A long time they didn't see me, see? But remember this, we are original. Mama. Say Sista Carola the mama. Sista Carola the mama. Mama. Bounce it low. The mystery to my story is nothing near ill-fated. I may be underrated, but my status is updated. Holistic DJ film, my style is never yet gated. I pay my dues, I joined the line and patiently I waited. Me regal to run. Sophisticated 97 for the Grammys I was nominated. Tried and true and match. Sista Carola the mama. Metro at the papa. Sista Carola the mama. Say Metro at the papa. Fretta them, no hear or nothing yet. Me no fear Jim Crow, and me no fear Baphomet. Coming in strong and nothing inadequate. Oh, my take a letter, jam in on the internet. Mama. See me. You see, before me leave you, hold on. Just before me leave, let me tell you this. Because me never tell them before, but listen this. I'm the baddest in the whole of the sorority. From a start up till now, culture is my priority. The energy to test. Joe, see me. No. Me I say, I never want to curse no bad word. But BBC is really right? And PH, we know that was. Me say, I'm the baddest in the whole of the sorority. From a start up until now, culture is my priority. PH wanna test till them lock the vicinity. Globalize the thing from Ella to baby quantity. You touch microphone, not just authenticity. Touch your soul and make your blood run like phlebotomy. Carry the thing like. I love what I'm saying. Mama. Original. Oh. Just before I go. Look. Well, me no want no wife beater, no eater. Me no want no man fi attack me like cheater. What him fi do? His naked liquor sweeter put a smile for me. He's a young man, never meets Madinita. Just tweet the faith and don't be like. And now when we are walk like, pull it up. One bag of artists. Oh wait. So we just bless it and leave it. Look. As a little child, I saw Selassie. He looked at me and I saw those eyes. Right then I knew he was the one. I was caught up in a spiritual attraction. Rastafari connection. Jah, you are more to me than a friend. If you love King Selassie, let me hear you. Love King Selassie, let me hear you. Love Rastafari, make me hear you. Fire, easy. And so we thought in the beginning of time, a different attitude was among mankind. A lot more love, less drinking of wine. As a matter of fact, spiritually inclined, sympathetic to the deaf, the dumb and the blind, contemplating to keep all the morals divine. They make us switch and go start now. And I saw them develop the, me say as a little child, I saw Selassie. He looked at me and I saw those eyes. Right then I knew he was the one. I was caught up in a spiritual attraction. Rastafari connection. Jah, you are more to me than a friend. If you love reggae music, let me hear you.
Hold on, pull it up. Sister Carol, Mama for New York City. Here she, Major Mackerel, Peter Metro. The whole away, Papa San. Mama, is a pleasure to meet your husband out there, so. What name again?
Lion King.
Lion King, big up yourself. Welcome, here baby. Who next? Sure. Pinky Famous. Tishana. Sure. You see your father. Music in a yin. Can you see your big belly father? Sure. In full of music. Sing, Mama.
Famous, are you my deal with, sir? Let's lead Oliver. I know I never gave you my love. Deep in, pull up that. I'm a father, I request that one, you know, so I have to do it, alright? Alright. I know I never gave you my love deep inside. I know I kept on stalling, afraid you do damage to my pride. My love was only a young love, and grown up of mine to give real love back. I'm ready now for the love that a woman should give to a man. Oh, then we can get them something else on the rhythm. Alright. Ooh. Daddy, me I give them piece of my journey, alright? Listen to me. Me said the world can't trick me, me no idiot. A real top star, you know I me that. Me take on the business from an kneecap. Shell down some big beats like Taxi and Real Rock. Grew up, me get big now. Me a sing before Bridgeport, and me daddy teach me fi kill sound. Me style them bad like Jim Brown. Lyrics a kick like ninja. Pinky well ash like ginger. Them try touch my food, me cut them finger. If them no straight, me no inna where them inna. Wanna listen me, you know? Me give thanks, me mother birth me. From long time for the business, my thirsty. Send me more rhythm fi drink up like Cersei. Hear a lot of me mix and gimmicks like the business get nursery. Sure! I who fool them, make me school them. Me too hot and me no warm like school bench. Aim for the best with me shoes, me approve it. From me I go school and I relax as a student. Grew up, me get big now. Me a sing before Bridgeport. Famous teach me fi kill sound. Me style them bad like Jim Brown.
Binky, wallet. Them think you couldn't carry the note. Them don't know you. Bad singer that. Watching the people, the show goes on. Artists them there like San Junior Cat not touch it yet. Lord God, Youth and Green not touch it yet. Nuclear there. And my what Just Chris, you not touch it yet. Give it the country. Ladies and gentlemen, out of Portmore, Jamaica, we bring across, pull up Oliver. This artist, you know him. He used to walk and talk. him in a Vibes Cartel. But Vibes Cartel boss and gone, so. But him there, so. Welcome on stage, the one and only Nuclear.
Big up Peter, Mr. the teacher, Mr. Right about now. You know, so straight people with DJ fan and straight people represent, don't it? Now starting out with Peter, Mr. Level me. That one and name. Thunder roll and broke me neck. Cause no boy can suck me neck. Tell them say we a bad man. From me born, so me straight, so me turn. Hear me now. Thunder roll and broke me neck. Me never suck nothing, even suck your neck. Tell them say me a bad man. From me born, so me straight Oliver. Listen, get this straight. Petty thief, pedophile, never rape. And you can't see me face pan the tape like seam. So me straight, never lean. Ever real, never fake. Represent for me scheme. Portmore and me place. In pharmacy load, never switch, never change. Can't take granny purse with the little chum change. Take a brings, take a bank, take a plane, take a train. Me not take needle cocaine to me vein. Listen me. Thunder roll and broke me neck. Right about now. I know clear, know the view clear, don't it? Level me. Can't remember saying no. Me have to big up dancehall Thursday. Well on the Oliver. Can we no come to stay now? You see dancehall Thursday, you know me like what I do. It'll bring back the culture in a dancehall music. Because me sister them go chop, then go cut and them lose it. You see me? So big up all of Portmore, big up Peter Metro, you know, say man the teacher, man the godfather. Big up the whole platform, bounce like a ball, make it roll like a head, and them violate, you know, somebody go dead. But we now go. Bill Gate. You know you're not Bill Gate. Level me, Oliver, I'm going to look at cultural piece or something now. Listen, me want the paper, but me now bound for rich. Enough sell out and turn snitch. Me a work hard for when me want this ear, me now pitch. So tell bad mind say don't. Just tell them feel low me. I think friends and new friends when nothing not go on, you know see them. Tell them feel low me. Find out them a wagonist. When them want a thing, them say me brother this. Just tell them feel low me. Them want to see we dead for them laugh and your fish and bread. Metro tell them feel low me. That now go happen. Them now live to see me in a coffin. Listen me. Them no one get a youth rich and happy. Me new band bossy in my way Gucci nappy. Prado and Fendi fi me catty. Me father get a brand new Benz and that's where the old jalopy. Yeah. Get a you living bossy not hype. Step out all eyes and me like a video light. Me talk them a beat NEC every day not red stripe. And that dirty niggas no like money don't change me. Change me clothes separate the friends from the foes. Enough a wolf in a sheep cloth. Nuclear don't tell them say me no need friends like those. Hey listen. Money at the game and music and me hobby. Me remember the days me never happy. When things dark like midnight and me poor and shabby. Still certain road me never chatty. Me remember when me did a part with the DJ Addy. Working to be somebody. Get two shot, never stop and me way to the top. Me have to rich like Sean and Shaggy. Get up you, don't be rich, Bill. Metro Wallace.
Wow! Boy, you tell me, I tell you, a bad artist. You know much gunman shoot him off and him not touch none. Ladies and gentlemen, Nuclear, big up yourself, my brother, I will love you. This artist, out of Waterhouse original. He came, ladies and gentlemen, in the 90s. Christian soldiers amongst Tony Rebel, remember? The Christian soldiers. Put together one #1 song with my England. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only Mr. U-Turn Green.
Check. Yeah, man. All right. Sista. I don't believe in cocaine. I don't believe in grabbing chain. I don't believe in shooting my brothers down. I believe in love. I don't believe in the quick gun. Doing wrongs and then I'm on the run. I don't believe in living on that side. I believe in love. You think of that? And then we can't take the blum blum, ratatata blum blum.
Why your next man a kill? Hey, man. I saw it there, you see it? Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then me can't take the blum blum, ratatata blum blum. Why your next man a killer? Can't take the blum blum, ratatata blum blum. Why your next youth a killer? There is too much killing going on. Hey, 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 too much. I caught that. Yo, give me the click there. I'm going to show you something where I go on. Because here what now, we have to redefine ourselves. Saying every time I saw the music set, don't box up yourself. Saying, you call her when your band change. Yeah, man. Junior Cat there, you know. And whole it more artists there. Saying, so click it in and fling it in. Oh, we have some mackerel.
Throughout the band chain, my brethren. Remember to support the platform, support the bar, support Music Town Entertainment and all of the people that we want to donate something. The cash up. Are you ready? Ready? Youth and Green, shoot them.
Kick it off. I want to name the street. See it ya? Learn that one ya. See it ya? Click, click. Bang, bang. Who them? The man a bad man. Cheerleader them. Pam, pam. Don't try to see them. Bang, bang. I want to name the street. We are redefining myself every time. Go for now there, but here one now. The name click, click. Click, click. Bang, bang. Who them? The man a bad man. Cheerleader them. Pam, pam. Don't try this is general. Rang, bang. Screw face. Come attack loud. Puppy, you feel quiet when the dog's out. Black coat, chalk line, mark out. Business start out. We no big friend. From no enemy. We no friend enemy. Me I redefine myself. Me I box up myself. I all up myself. When me say click, come say bang bang. Click click. Who them? Cheerleader them. Pam pam. Don't try to say general rang bang. Screw face. Come attack loud. Puppy you feel quiet when the dog's out. Black coat, chalk line, mark out. Business start out. We no big friend. From no enemy. We no friend enemy. Them can't hold we have got to we no big. Yo, give me the one fake friend there. Alright. Alright. Them say Just Chris I come. Over Just Chris there. Forward Just Chris. Yeah man.
It's a pleasure in the youth and green, you know the whole thing say. Yeah, me man, you don't know the whole thing say. I'm not good at talking. Everybody will love Father God. Say, Father God. Without Father God, nothing possible. You see me, I say, yeah, we don't with him, yeah, man. Play me rhythm, brother. Please, I know that. What you do? You don't love Father God? Dancehall Thursday, this is Just Chris representing from another one place, another one part. You see me, I say? Everybody will love Father God. Say, Father God. Ease up that. People, you see me, Just Chris, a conscious lyrics. You know, my boss to the ring ding ding, but that was the next thing. But hear me, I say, everybody will love their mother. Say, Mama. Me not hear you now. Me say, Mama. Play me rhythm. Dancehall Thursday. It's serious. Peter Metro, Nature Mackerel. Even the man famous. Even the man teach them. What you telling me? Me say, for you love your mother. Say, Mama. You see that song there, people? And a normal song. You get me? And as Mr. Just Chris, I'm working. For my ladies, I want to sing this one. You ready? Drop me rhythm. Yeah, no, different song. Different rhythm. Play the formation. And turn it up.
TP Records.
No. Where you going, me done, man? Fix it, man. And get the rhythm, man. Just Chris. Represent for my ladies. Don't miss the rhythm that me done. And fix it now. I was rolling in the street, looking so neat in my drop top, looking mad at his eye. Pull up at the stoplight, this cute girl looking at me. She said, hey, baby, can I ride with you, slide with you, spend some time with you? So I said, come on in, girl. Dancehall Thursday.
What did I do to deserve a girl like you? What did I say for you to come my way? Hoping I pray to find a good girl someday. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, stop that. I'm here to give him the song. Find applause with him. Run the song. Go run the song. Go down the song. Sit there. Write the song. You write. Go back. Write the song. I want to hear you that. Play that. I make them know what go on. I make the whole place understand. I make them know. Peter, make sure you play people. Dance on Thursday. Are you ready now? I like it.
Little dance, some person sing, and this is how we really feel. Because I like it when I'm sing, and I said I dance on it to me.
Dance on Thursday. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. We are here. Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding 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 nah. Ding 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 nah. Peter Mitchell. No bien is around to the chicky chicky. What's the place and show hit to Ricky Ticky. Mark Hill, he must show hit to Ricky Vicky. Tell the dance Mark Hill, rumble on the city. Watch a girl, she nice and she look pretty. Here's the back go together. Dance on Thursday. Stop it. Stop it. You see that part here? I saw my dream of. Only famous. I couldn't there and sing the next one here. My final song this. Feel the rhythm. Joseph Wheeler, my family. Colonel, Glen Washington. You know the whole thing said. Every artist, do not cat. You see me I say Youth and Green. The rhythm after that, man. Errol Dunkley. And the greats. Everybody were clean. And we love themselves. Just clap for me now, please. Rhythm. Just Chris. Represent. I'm going out to the club tonight. Wait up, I'll be back home late. Everybody knows the name. We'll meet and greet, walk through the gate. Tables there waiting. That's the life of star. I had to send back for my sunglasses that I left in the car. Last time we raved like this was a month ago. Couple months ago. You remember? It's not easy to forget. But between these shots of any season, flossing on my enemies, I forgot about the junking pictures on the net. So here tonight, new kids, ready for them. All eyes on we going all out. Everybody will love life, we have on. When we do roll, we have fun. I love you, Just Chris, represent. What you telling me?
Pull it up. Just Chris. Just Chris. You remember England? When the white police them hold you and say, oh, you do that ring ding 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 ding. Why? Big up Just Chris, see? Yeah, man. Crowd of people are here set every Thursday night. Big up all the people in South America. From night, me not talk no Spanish, but chama. South America! Come Westa. Big up on yourself. Me can't bother no Spanish tonight. Watch you know. You see the next artist where I bring on stage. Our bad artist. Ladies and gentlemen, out of the Cat family, we welcome on stage. Wanna know him? Everybody love him. Welcome on stage, the one and only Junior Cat.
Swan is bad man, set red light and button. You don't touch nothing. Rhythm check, road boy. Man, to be my champion, shout to make it and get around. You ever tell him, old boy? Yeah. Me tell about shoot and collect, we come for shoot and collect. Me tell about shoot and collect, we come for shoot and collect. Follow me now. Shoot and collect, we come for shoot and. Tell me not take no talk, plus me not take no check. Food man and look, tell them some money off a make. So we side killer them on the bank step. Money man I take me sure no mistake no make. For the band them never hear so much gunshot yet. Bin Laden birthday, Taliban down for. We fly around like to them all seeing them step on private jet. For my own a gang we execute and select. Youngsters step out and pay up pay them make. Lock down the city, pay money them make. Al Capone no choose stone time so broke boy. Al Pacino's Scarface ready for smoke them like cess. Anyway this thing I press, make sure no head no rest. Send boy a dove cut and send him friend a made a race. Spin barrel a roll ready for the net a race. Never you place a order got a special for your guests. Shoot off the S off a Superman chest. Gun and a swing but my gun bag a rest. Girlfriend head lay down in my chest. Take some time just to roll some cess. So Mr. Cat from the wild wild west. Lunatic nobody try come. Lots of a gun, somebody man lots of a gun. Tell them Pepsi Cola get the rust of a gun. Jamai get the gunpowder dust of a gun. Two of them a fuss and them a fight over gun. One of them drop out, then a must over gun. Policeman a come here with the jeep full of gun. Stand up like him dumb before him bust it and run. Me not play no fool, come here no dumb. Them one fingerprint for me, one no mad none. But tell the liar boy bring back the cash come. Tuna Catacuta where them can't dash down. Real bad man from 1913. Remember when we get the first M16? Bust it for a year before it working. Bust vitamins around, come get your protein. Mama ball, papa ball, your brother head a open. Bomb jam grenades, you don't bring no doping. A dog a act up, me just bore a sardine. Red, gold and green over the M16. Get a move out to turn on the siren. Gonna casino, pull up and drive in. Go on, say, no, take it down. Them think I'm gonna alone to sing about. Play my rhythm then. I ain't greeting them with the most perilous. That's the first one who don't like that go to church or do some research. Give in. Second rifle. Give in. Saying? I saw them living, yes I saw them living. Them dirty and corrupted and bad man from the beginning. And I saw them living, yes I saw them living. Them dirty and corrupted and bad man from the least they could think them come and talk about killing. Kill off them one another just over few shilling. Fear blood spilling and nothing a grave digging. Hey Mr. Wicked Man, say what you think you're doing? You mess around the system and they youth them that you're ruin. If I saw you living and you wanna grave you digging. Wigging and you jigging with your ism and your skism. Shoot them try to rise, you shoot them down, you think a pigeon. Jamaica running out the place I burn up like a pot. When will it over, when will it stop? Politicians only come round, come make big shot. Economical crisis, so what a setback. Let me show out the gun, them sell like a slingshot. When the lawman gone in and the judge door lock. Musical speaking, men not cast the riot. Every man a farm full, that's why we run short of crap. No one wash the plate, no man no one wash the pot. As you got a rope rap is all 4, 5, 6 drop. When me step out, tell people step back. All child molesters and guy wear broke sharp. Dibby DJ we get flap. Robbers and thief, them love for call cop. Me have a 5 glass block now for keep boy quiet. If I want a new strap, me go out and go shop. Nickel and cut silence up on top. Cash pile down and me win that till black. Blacks and Balaya, them think they we rock. Like congregation, me hear them a chat. So them a fly around like some vampire bat. Tell you Mr. Rat to stay away from the cat. Out on parade looking for nightcap. Singers and DJs and gangsters. Take it up. Next track. City lock anything want come in, never knock them boy a bread back. So what goes around, so they want let come back around. Politician never give a hungry dog face a bone. Shoot out and now they get a missing off, you'd go down. Mama ball, papa ball, it hurt me heart to hear the sound. Kingston turn downtown, the whole place done gone town. But what they really doing to my sweet jam down? Well, if the system catch a cola, I go buy cough syrup. Water can't clean if the head of the stream corrupt. No get to no explode when the violence erupt. The bag of fussing and the fighting only sick mister. Them want them mark them ram and the jailhouse fill up. I saw them spend the money and say place develop. What's the solution? Next shot. See you later, the Reebok car fee later to the car dealer. Gambling not going, so you let your love stay, so you keep on shining bright along the way, you know. Rough and tough, and the youth them a suffer. Rough and tough, and it getting rougher. Rough and tough, and the youth them a suffer. Rough and tough and it getting rougher. Have you ever hear a poor man talk about white squall? When hungry I lick up on him, tribe them a ball. I worm them in your belly, but I'm still a crawler. Looks by your mouth like over white mall. Meekly wait murmur not to never catch me a ball. This is what we wanna speak about most of all. Tired to pass a prisoner, yeah the youth them a ball. Babylon a beat them with button behind wall. Jamaican government illiterate and small. Have the farm farmers in the market I run with them stall. We no matter who I fall, we no matter who I call. Cause righteous will stand, but he them will fall. Enough to know themselves till them back against the wall. I come up and Junior can't control the dance hall. Cause rough and tough, but it's getting rougher. Rough and tough, and the youth them a suffer. Rough and tough, and it's getting rougher. Rough and tough, and the youth them a suffer. That's a life, it's so hard, it coming like a shock. Picnic can't go to school unless them catch cash pot. Mama working so hard, nearly broke her back. I clean people floor and I wash out them mat. I wash out them plate and I wash out them pot. It's so hard to reach the top, but it's so easy to drop. And it's not so easy to start from scratch. Me they are from Saltfish, a shingle house top. I the whole veteran, but I the new patriarch. I'm up down, we keep round above rock. But tell me city lock and walk come in and have a knock. Come listen to the DJ where them call Junior Cat Count. Rough and tough and it's getting straight up. Next shot. Oh, ja, 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 ja. Done smoking of Jah in the city of the Almighty. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. So get the youth and better yell Trinity. Glorious things are spoken of Jah in the city of the Almighty. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. So get the youth and better yell Trinity. In the beginning was the word was with Jah. The word made me and you, and it dwell among flesh. So he'll think of far and down to forget. We all go into the promised land, so don't you worry nor fret. Heading across the Red Sea, so Babylon face them dead. But me want go shut some on the figure, yell me princess. Jerusalem is the king places where everything blessed. Come princess and prince to go in there to the palace. Glorious things are spoken of Jah in the city of the Almighty. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. So get the youth and better yell it Trinity. Glorious things are spoken of Jah in the city of the Almighty. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. So get the youth and better yell it Trinity. In the beginning, that said let me light, and they was light. So why you disobey him? Cause Cain kill label. Say them wicked and them cold, but them never yet stable. Now put no food on poor people table. When you better come here, Jah, with them 12 disciples. Take it up. Next track. Sheila is no Reebok now, no feel it. Take it to the car dealer. It's hard to deal with the big wheeler, okay? Send on. Some bad man stop red light and but they don't touch on authentic sin. Circle. I say all who not liking farm, I wanna make my soul one. All who not liking farm, I wanna make my soul one. Because kill them, we kill them for fun all. Send them come make we turn them down all. Junior Cat Selassie, man drop it off and man they pick it up a Kennedy. Just tell forensic evidence is not unnecessary. When we check them and go show them with fat body berry. If it around and save you, I some make close to ferry. Tie up lawyers and doctors and secretary. When me drop my down the badness of the military. If them disapute and green to me that roll like cherry. Come up the thing and bust it up and up and it's a perry. Hey boy, not talk loud in my territory. From the prison to the mark, the cemetery. Yeah, this jungle man, you might have dead and bad. Some of them just chopping, they be dropping when there's something popping. Nobody just stopping me, speed rapping and up your skin chopping. The digital king, them dropping and the man can't stop him. With the body I see the football and the head panalima. A killing we willing, you not forgive we a shilling. Let's murder them tonight and bury them a morning. Gunshot a circulate through boy system. Ready figure chop them down like a tree limb. This a one and nice like a Joe and Jane. And send them come, send them come, send them come. From not no Junior Cat, them no run. Send them come, send them come, send them come. From not no ragamuffin. Boy no ruin it. We are bad man, jungle man, them not doing it. Tell them put one, them and them friend go put two in it. Tell them put a nail and lonely take up, put a screw in it. Red, green and gold and the boy put blue in it. Take it up. Next chap. Man's greetings in the name of the Most High. Emperor and Sista and the first thing, which is first time to ever live on shore. Sucker. Watch it. Lord of mercy. He's a colonel. Oh, Jah, help me tonight. I've been suffering in thy sight. Well, if I eat, then I give I a fight. I'll walk with love, sweet love. I'll talk with love, sweet love. Me have the love in my heart, you pack up on it a store. So tell the ghetto youth, them not broke out like sore. Remember the innocent with them on the floor. Come listen, Juna Cat, I tell you more and more. So tell them little boy, close down the gun store. Population of the world is dropping more and more. Remember the massacre over Portmore. Policeman killed 6 and soldier kill 4. And I'm off and Juna Cat, I tell you more and more. And anywhere we pass through the youth, them secure. How to help me tonight? I've been suffering in thy sight. Well, if I eat, then I give I a fight. I'll walk with love, sweet love. I'll talk with love, sweet love. You could die up until you drop me straight to God. Me no in a that, no give me no coke, no give me no crack, no get the youth, no gun for lock. Some of the fire shot, police can close down back the block. And a wicked down that them close down back the corner shop. Can't get no rice, can't get no flour, not even chicken back. Bigger muscle still a hustle, so big fish a kill sprat. Come and take it from the DJ where them call Jonah Cat. Emperor Selassie I set up on the throne. Marcus Garvey a one long black gown. Beat the kettle on the fire, then the angel come down. I go and whip them up with words, powers and sound. Man a touch, man a talk about fit turn round. Lick them with tsunami, make sure say them drown. Big black man a go and like say them brown. Dress up in a tight pants, I talk about them round. Strong radiation, them can't come around. Well, ain't no go, got to let your love stay. Well, let your love keep on shining bright along the way. I come up and tune a cat to my your boss DJ. You know, you're where the people, them are London. Oh, Jah, help me tonight. I've been suffering in thy sight. Well, if I eat, then I give I a fight. I'll walk with love, sweet love. I'll talk with love. Next shot. Yo, 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 yo. It's a DJ boy I talk from with you, them train in them bathroom and them shower. And you currently run them on the place where they like a cane man with machete. Dead like dog. Boy, you're dead, you are go dead. On the ramp with Batman gunshot down in your weather. Jump on, jump on, them dead, you are go dead. On the ramp with Batman gunshot down in your weather. Don't pay, man never war. Hold the gun without the gloves up on the general land. Then could it define fingerprint upon a murder weapon. We don't give a damn, we move them up in front of station. Boy, watch out, look out for the real Taliban. Junior Cat, tell them all the wild Indians, send them come. Broke off them foot and them man. Anytime that one you bang the whole of them a dead man. Give me way, me drop this bomb, you like Bin Laden, one Saddam. When the general I go kill them, now they clash in a man. When we hide there, we need to we a kill jump on. Kill some in Europe, some in Japan. Even the one man, him come and ask Christian. Select a boy come and him a shake off me and them one over which part the champion come from. I take it from the cat, him and the wild Indian. Here a fight talking to me head back and talk about stick up. Who them little lunatic and try to check up. After me say usher, me say boy get crushed. Run up in a dish, a lunatic come lick up. The other day me and my friend and make a move in a one chuck. Go take off a money somewhere down a Falmouth. When I reach from the base, a police car park up. Never hesitate, pop off, shoot and then cut. Anyway, the body job, somebody else will pick up a comfort. Check them stomach, we comfort, check them. Take that. The next track, final track, don't knock. Put a baba, bye, bye. Put a baba, bye, bye. Put a baba, bye, bye. Can't eat me out, now girl, can't eat me out. Wall up your one, now girl can't eat you out. Wall up your one, now girl can't eat you out. The other day me and this girl, she go out. Buy her some lobster, me buy a couple stout. Tell her friend about she eat a patchy out. The next night me still carry her out. A little broke clock gone in her stout. She run gone a bathroom, she could not come out. And little of that toilet paper run out. And the girl will eat me out, them have to shit me out. And I come out your mouth, it fly out your back out. So if you're happy and you love it, you fit jump and you fit out. And I tell, see that?
Boy! Can't say a girl eat him out, then better shit him out. Oh, yeah, man. Oral Tracy, come bless the platform, man. Ladies and gentlemen, out of RJR, Oral Tracy, man, the #1 sports commentator in Jamaica. Oral!
Hey! Yeah, man, we want to just say, big up the people, them. They continue to support the platform here. Because of the real platform. The platform here are rescue reggae music and it a rescue dancehall. So we are saying big up O'Neill Famous, big up Metro Media. Major Macri, Peter Metro, the entire team. Who that told us a Squidly? All white. In the meantime and between time, when is the Metro? Sure. Don't do that. Don't do me that. Don't do me that. Don't do me that yet. I just want to big up all the people that we are blessed on the place here, sir. MC Jama. Show man. We are the man. We are the man. Where's the mackerel? Pretty looks done and them not get none yet. They look hey! Hey! Sure. Mackerel tell me for DJ theme lyrics. What a man dangerous man. Like me now no lyrics. All of the man that we are no Mickey Mouse to no woman. Let me see no hands say so. What me tell them some more break? Me say me no Mickey Mouse, me live in a Nicky house, yeah. No Mickey Mouse, me live in a Nicky house, yeah. No Mickey Mouse in a Nicky house. Say in a Mickey. Say me no Mickey Mouse. Say in a Nicky house. Say me no Mickey Mouse. In a Nicky house, me say me no Mickey Mouse, Joe. No Nicky house, me pull up.
Boy, you stop there, sir. Anyhow, ladies and gentlemen, this is our great friend Oral Tracy, Zane, and passing through, you know, support the platform. Youth and Green, come sing!
Yeah, man. You see, I want you one fake friend.
Them evil. Seems that the people you trust with your life and gunshot shoot you like eagle. Evil. Seems that the people you trust with your life and gunshot shoot you like. Them are dirty, our heart and the cleanest. We broke bread, but them are the meanest. The Vicky, but we are the realest. We pay them no mind, cause we blessed. God that we back with no pre-stress. All of the mind get reject. All of the heart get reset. Cut them off, we don't need it. One fake friend. Worse than 1,000 enemies. Don't let them take you 3 points. Then them send you down a cemetery. Them evil. Peter Metro, talk to them, yeah, man.
Well, you know, pull up. One to Lalabella. You have Lalabella rhythm there? Or you never? Come sing Lalabella. You think you can trick me, you turn. You remember tomorrow on Mellow FM. Burgerman birthday. We're going to mash up in there. Yo! Mellow FM tomorrow. You turn.
Just like that. How old a song we have now? Our name no looking back. Richard Anderson. All works. Matrix. Yeah, man. Danny English. Yeah, man. All works. Bang. Yeah, man. Peter Metro. Shana. And the whole of the massive. Remember one, yeah? See ya. No looking back. No turning back. I decided to surrender.
yourself out the wheel. Anyway you're there. Tell her. You know say you're our general. Don't. Lord, Lord. Yeah. Nature. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Over this. No looking back. No turning back. I decided to serve Judge. No looking back, no turning back. No, we gotta be stronger. No looking back, no turning back. I decided to serve Judge. No looking back, no turning back. No, we gotta be stronger. I am so sure about this folklore spreading to shores more than before. Although sometimes temptation come your way, don't give up now. Go on your knees and pray. Such a difficult task you're finding food today. Jah is the will, He'll show you the way. No looking back, no turning back. Pick up yourself every time. Teach them, yeah, reach them.